You've probably tried a garden hack that sounded brilliant and did absolutely nothing. I've been there too. After years of testing shortcuts, old tricks and internet advice, I finally narrowed it down to the ones that actually work in real gardens, not just on camera. These are simple proven hacks that save time, save money, and quietly make your plants healthier without fancy tools or expensive products. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love smart practical tips that actually make a difference, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our weekly garden advice. And as we go along, let me know in the comments which hack surprised you the most, or which one you're already using in your garden. Hack number 1. Turn grass clippings into free mulch. Every time you mow your lawn, you're creating one of the most useful garden resources without even realizing it. Instead of bagging those clippings or sending them off as waste, you can put them straight to work in your garden. A thin layer of fresh grass clippings spread around your plants helps the soil hold moisture, keeps weeds from taking over, and slowly feeds your plants as it breaks down. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your garden using something you already have, and it works especially well in vegetable beds and flower borders. The key is how you use it. Grass clippings should always be applied in light layers, about 1 to 2 inches thick, never dumped in heavy piles. Thick clumps can trap heat and block air, which can harm plants instead of helping them. When used correctly, grass clippings act like a natural blanket for your soil, keeping roots cool, reducing how often you need to water, and cutting down on weeds without spending a single extra dollar. Hack number 2. Aquarium water as a free liquid fertilizer. Many gardeners overlook a surprisingly effective and completely free source of nutrients: the water from your freshwater aquarium. When you clean your tank, the water you remove is rich in nitrogen, trace minerals, and beneficial bacteria, all elements that plants thrive on. Instead of dumping it down the drain, you can use it to feed your garden, giving your plants a gentle balance boost that encourages healthier growth without the expense of commercial fertilizers. This method is safe for most plants and is especially beneficial for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens, which can quickly use up nutrients in the soil. Using aquarium water is simple and completely hassle-free. Collect the water during your regular tank cleaning and pour it directly around the base of your plants, ensuring the soil absorbs it rather than letting it pool on the surface. The nutrients in the water are immediately available to the roots, promoting greener foliage, stronger stems, and overall more vigorous growth. Over time, regular use can improve soil fertility naturally and reduce waste at the same time. Just remember, this hack only works with freshwater tanks. Salt water or brackish water can harm plants. By turning something you'd normally throw away into a nutrient-rich supplement, you're giving your garden a significant advantage with almost no effort. Hack number 3. Boost plant immunity with aspirin spray. Plants, like people, face stress from pests, diseases, and environmental changes, and these stresses can slow growth, reduce yields, or make them more vulnerable to infections. One surprisingly effective way to strengthen their natural defenses is with a simple aspirin spray. Dissolving a single uncoated aspirin tablet in a gallon of water creates a mild solution that helps trigger the plant's immune system, preparing it to resist diseases and recover more quickly from stress. This method is especially useful for vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, which are prone to common fungal and bacterial problems. The secret lies in the salicylic acid in aspirin, a compound that plants naturally use to signal defense responses. When sprayed every 3 to 4 weeks during active growth, it can significantly improve a plant's ability to fight off infections and recover from environmental stressors, such as heat, drought, or minor pest damage. While it's not a replacement for proper soil care, watering, and pruning, regular use of aspirin spray has been shown to increase resilience and even boost yields. For gardeners looking for a low-cost, easy-to-apply method to help their plants thrive, this hack offers measurable benefits and is a dependable addition to any garden routine. Hack number 4. Feed your soil with molasses. Healthy plants start with healthy soil, but many gardens suffer from soil that's alive in name only. Beneficial microorganisms, bacteria and fungi, are essential for breaking down organic matter, cycling nutrients, and creating a structure that allows roots to thrive. One of the easiest ways to give these microbes a boost is with unsulfured blackstrap molasses. When diluted in water and applied to the soil, molasses provides simple sugars that feed these microorganisms, helping to restore the natural balance of your garden soil and improve its overall fertility. Applying molasses is simple, yet the results can be profound. Mix about 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses per gallon of water and pour it around the base of your plants every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Over time, this encourages a lively, active soil ecosystem where nutrients are broken down more efficiently. Roots grow deeper and stronger, and plants are better able to access the food they need. The improvement isn't just in growth rates. Soil structure, moisture retention, and overall plant health all benefit when you nurture the invisible life beneath the surface. For gardeners who want long-term results rather than quick fixes, molasses is a small addition that pays off in big ways. Hack number 5. Scarify seeds for faster germination. Some seeds have naturally hard coats that make germination a slow, unpredictable process. Morning glories, sweet peas, nasturtiums, okra, and certain beans can sit in soil for weeks before they finally sprout, leaving gardeners frustrated and uncertain. Scarification, a simple technique of lightly scratching or nicking the seed coat, can dramatically speed up germination. By breaking the outer layer just enough to allow water to penetrate, you give seeds a clear signal that it's time to grow, cutting days or even weeks off the waiting period. The process is simple and requires minimal tools. Take a piece of fine sandpaper, a nail file, or even a small metal file, and gently rub the seed until the surface is just scuffed. You don't need to dig into the seed, just scratching the exterior is enough. Once scarified, plant the seeds in your usual soil mix and keep them moist. Gardeners often notice a dramatic difference. Seeds that normally take 2 to 3 weeks to sprout can appear in as little as 3 to 5 days. This technique not only saves time but also improves success rates, giving you a head start on the growing season and reducing the stress of watching and waiting for stubborn seeds to finally emerge. Hack number 6. Aloe vera gel for stronger root growth. Getting cuttings to root can be frustrating, especially when they wilt or rot before roots have a chance to form. Instead of relying on store-bought rooting hormones, fresh aloe vera gel offers a simple and natural alternative. Aloe contains enzymes, natural growth compounds, and mild antifungal properties that help protect cuttings while encouraging faster root development. To use it, cut a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the clear gel, and dip the base of your cutting before planting it in soil or water. This works beautifully for herbs like basil and rosemary, many houseplants, and softwood cuttings from shrubs. Gardeners often notice healthier roots forming sooner and fewer losses along the way. It's one of those quiet tricks that doesn't look impressive at first, but delivers consistent results when propagation really matters. Hack number 7. Corn gluten meal to prevent weeds. Before they start, weeds are one of the biggest challenges in any garden, and by the time you notice them they've often already taken root and spread. Controlling them afterward can be time-consuming, labor-intensive, and sometimes damaging to surrounding plants. That's why prevention is so important. And corn gluten meal is one of the most effective natural tools for stopping weeds before they even have a chance to grow. Acting as a pre-emergent, it prevents seeds from developing roots while remaining completely safe for established plants and lawns. Using corn gluten meal correctly is key to seeing results. Apply it early in the spring, about 4 to 6 weeks before your last expected frost, so it reaches the soil before weed seeds germinate. Spread it evenly across garden beds or lawns, roughly 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and water it in lightly. Over time, the meal breaks down and adds a modest amount of nitrogen to your soil, benefiting your existing plants while keeping new weeds at bay. While it won't affect weeds that have already sprouted, consistent annual application significantly reduces weed pressure, saving hours of weeding later, and giving your garden a cleaner, healthier start to each growing season. Hack number 8. Beer traps that actually stop slugs and snails. If you've ever gone out to the garden in the morning and found your lettuce, hostas, or seedlings chewed to the ground overnight, slugs and snails are usually the culprits. They're silent, fast, and incredibly destructive. especially in damp weather. One of the simplest and most reliable ways to control them is a beer trap, and despite how old school it sounds, it works shockingly well. Slugs are strongly attracted to the smell of yeast, and beer pulls them in from several feet away, often before they ever reach your plants. Setting it up is easy and inexpensive. Bury a shallow container, like a tuna can or yogurt cup, so the rim sits level with the soil, then fill it halfway with beer. Cheap beer, flat beer, even leftover beer all work because it's the yeast that matters, not the brand. Place several traps around vulnerable plants and check them every couple of days, refreshing as needed. When used consistently during peak slug season, beer traps can significantly reduce damage and protect tender plants without chemicals, making them one of the most effective low-effort pest controls you can use in the garden. Hack number 9. Ripen fruit quickly with paper bags. At the end of the growing season, it's common to have fruit like tomatoes or peppers that are still green when frost is approaching. Instead of leaving them on the vine and risking rot, a simple paper bag can turn them red and ready to eat in just a few days. The trick works because fruits naturally release a gas called ethylene, which signals them to ripen. When you enclose the fruit in a paper bag, the ethylene gets trapped, accelerating the ripening process without any chemicals or special equipment. Using this method is straightforward. Place the unripe fruit in a paper bag and fold the top closed to hold in the gas. For even faster results, add a ripe banana or apple to the bag. These fruits produce additional ethylene, boosting the effect. Keep the bag at room temperature around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and check the fruit daily. Most tomatoes or similar fruits will ripen within 5 to 10 days. This method doesn't just work for tomatoes, it's effective for avocados, peaches, pears, and many other fruits that continue to ripen after being picked, giving you a second chance to enjoy your harvest before the season ends. Hack number 10. Keep your tools sharp with a sand and oil bucket. Dull or rusty tools aren't just frustrating, they make gardening harder and can damage plants. One of the simplest ways to keep your tools in top shape is with a sand and oil bucket. It's an inexpensive low-effort solution that simultaneously sharpens blades, cleans off dirt, and prevents rust. The coarse sand acts like a natural abrasive, while mineral oil coats the metal to protect it from moisture and corrosion, keeping your tools ready for any task. Setting it up is quick. Fill a 5-gallon bucket about 3/4 full with coarse sand, then pour in a quart of mineral oil and mix thoroughly so every grain is coated. After each use, plunge your shovels, hose, and trowels in and out of the mixture several times. The sand scrapes off soil and subtly sharpens the edges, while the oil leaves a protective layer that prevents rust from forming. For precision tools like pruners, dip them carefully or wipe the blades with a cloth soaked in the mixture. Over time, this simple maintenance trick extends the life of your tools, saves money on replacements, and makes every gardening task smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. And there you have it, 10 garden hacks that actually work, and most of them rely on things you probably already have around the house. From turning simple grass clippings into a nutrient-rich mulch to using leftover aquarium water as a free liquid fertilizer, these tricks aren't just clever, they make a real difference in how healthy and productive your garden becomes. Some are simple, like paper bag ripening to save end-of-season fruit, while others like the aspirin spray and sand bucket for tool maintenance might feel surprisingly advanced, but are easy to implement and yield consistent results. Each one targets a specific challenge, whether it's boosting soil life, speeding up germination, keeping pests under control, or saving time and money in your everyday garden care. What makes these hacks especially powerful is how they combine science with practicality. The aspirin spray taps into a plant's natural defense mechanisms, molasses feeds the unseen army of soil microbes, and scarifying seeds breaks dormancy in ways that nature intended but that our impatient schedules often overlook. Even the simplest techniques, like aloe vera gel, to encourage rooting or corn gluten meal to prevent weeds, rely on natural processes that enhance plant growth without harsh chemicals. By understanding why these hacks work, you're not just following instructions, you're actively working with your garden, giving yourself the knowledge to troubleshoot and adapt as your plants grow. But beyond results, these hacks are about making gardening easier and more enjoyable. Using a sand and oil bucket keeps tools sharp and ready, beer traps protect tender seedlings without chemicals, and mulch from grass clippings reduces the tedious work of watering and weeding. They save time, reduce waste, and let you focus more on the creative, satisfying parts of gardening, planting, harvesting, and watching your garden flourish. Over a season, these small changes accumulate, turning what could be a lot of hard work into a smoother, more rewarding experience. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a weekly dose of smart, practical garden tips here on Timeless Gardening. I'd love to hear from you. Which hack are you trying first? Or do you already use one of these tricks in your own garden? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. There's always something new to learn from other gardeners. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember, the best gardens aren't built on effort alone, but on smart, simple solutions that work season after season.